How to lock your photos on your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you some awesome trick to hide them quickly, ensuring no one gets a sneak peek on your photos. Firstly, tap on your app called Photos. Now you're required to tap on the three dots that is on your top right corner of your screen. In these given options, tap on the icon called Hide. Now you have to tap on the option called Hide, which will automatically send your photo to the album called Hidden. Scroll down on your phone and find the icon called Hidden. Now you can find the pictures that you hid from your gallery. This way you can hide your pictures from your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.